tall slides were crazy fun, we were screaming and laughing the whole time. The lazy river was super long and perfect for just floating and chatting. Loved the swim up our vibe too, chilling with drinks in the water. The kids zone looked super cute even though we didn't go in. Staff were friendly and always smiling, and we felt really safe the whole day. They had towel rentals and lockers, so we didn't have to carry much. Totally worth it, highly recommend if you're in Phuket. Had so much fun. Went solo but didn't feel alone at all. The weather was crazy hot, so getting in the water was everything. Tons of rides, super friendly staff, and just good vibes all around. I would love to recommend this activity. Great location and good views, the staff really funny and helpful. There are so many fun slides, and a huge wave pool. The staff are super friendly and helpful, and everything is really clean and safe. We had a blast and totally recommend visiting if you're in Phuket. What a great park! If you are anywhere near this park on your trip, it was well worth it. If you are buying your tickets on this site, remember that it is in US funds at least ours were. We are from Canada. I thought I was getting a bit of a deal, found out I paid more than if I would have just got them from the gate. At the gate, they are 1800 baht. 200 for a locker and 200 for a towel. The locker is definitely big enough for a couple. Loved the slides with so much fun. We luckily were there in beginning of November, so lineups were not that long. A great day out. Plenty of slides ranging from beginner to hardcore. Our teenagers loved it. As it was low season, we had no waiting to go on each ride. The food was reasonably priced. Enjoyed it. This water park is so much fun. It's clean, the atmosphere is great, my niece loved it and wants to come often. The staff are lovely and friendly, and there's a wide variety of rides. We'll definitely come again. There are lifeguards providing excellent safety supervision.